Okay.
Out loud, okay?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody.
This is
You
a
have to say hello.
Hi. This is broken.
This is broken? No, this is how it's shaped. Okay. We're gonna try this again. Ready? Okay. Look at the camera and you gotta say hello, everybody, okay? Ready? Alright. 1, 2, 3. Hello, everybody.
Hello.
You gotta say hello.
Hi.
You're funny. Just say hello, everybody.
Hello, everybody.
Okay. Okay. So I'm here today with my daughter Elizabeth, and she loves to make melt and pour soap, right, Elizabeth? Yeah. And today she's going to show you how to make melt and pour soap that she has designed herself. You want to show them the picture that you have designed? There we go. Okay. So this is the soap that she has designed, and we're going to attempt to do that today together. Right, Elizabeth?
Yeah, only we're not gonna add that leaf in bed. It's gonna be too hard. Last time we tried it in bed, it kept hardening over and over while we were waiting.
So right now, Elizabeth is gonna try to cut our melt and pour. But first, I'm gonna cut it for her into
Because I have
small pieces. It's kind of hard, right?
I have a hard time cutting it the last time I did it. That's why I was only allowed to cut blocks, not the whole thing.
So this melt and pour has shea butter in it.
Ooh.
It feels really nice.
Can I feel? Feels nice. How does it feel? Feels exactly like butter, slippery.
Why don't you cut these into cubes?
Yeah, it feels like cutting it when you're in.
Just watch out for your fingers.
Okay, I felt the molten pour. It feels really nice. Mama, I never heard of shea butter before.
It's really good for your skin.
I've heard you talk about it.
Okay, so why don't you? Cut it into cubes. So right now, let me just take these aside and show you what we're doing. We're cutting it into these
That sounds like
cubes.
food.
Sort of like about an inch. Sorry. There we go.
Yeah.
It's about an inch. Almost an inch thick. Something like that. So Elizabeth, why don't you put them in here right now, okay?
Hold on, I'm cutting the last block. I'm cutting some blocks.
Okay, so we're gonna keep doing this, and then when we're done with this step, we'll come back and show you what's the next step. Now that we have cut our melt and pour, what is the next step that we have to do?
We melt it.
Melt it. How do we melt it?
Do we use this thing?
We're going to melt it in the microwave. We're going to melt it in the microwave on 30 seconds intervals of time. So every 30 seconds, we take it, we stir it, and we put it back. Because we don't want to burn the soap. Because if we heat it up if it gets to a very high temperature, then the soap will burn and it will make a very bad smell.
So we keep stirring it until it's lumpy? Until it's not lumpy?
Now that we've put it for a couple minutes in the microwave, we're just going to stir it up a little bit.
Until it's nice, thick, and kind of lumpy.
And we're going to put it back in the microwave.
Yeah.
So that,
I forgot how to make soap from the last
I
time.
think I should have gotten a bigger spoon. You want to try stirring up a little bit?
Sure.
Just don't let it drop.
I won't. I'll try
Let's see what the temperature is. It's 129. Yeah, between there, 125 and 129 between those two. And this is just an infrared thermometer that I got off of Amazon.
I'm sure if you're a soap maker, you had one.
Alright, let's put it back in the microwave.
We were learning about, what animals were we learning about insects?
And we're going to put it in the microwave for 2 more minutes, about 2 more minutes there. And we're just going to keep checking every 30 seconds. Right, Elizabeth? And we'll bring you back when it's ready.
Now I'm going to go finish my snack.
So I just wanted to show you how it looks before it's fully melted. And as you can see, it's just sort of like all, whoops, clumped up together.
Lumpy. So, we've melted this.
Okay, so our soap is melted.
Yeah.
Right? And it's about 152
That's a lot.
degrees.
That's a lot of good degrees.
I still see a few clumps in there.
I wonder if the soap gets upset.
I think I'm going to put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds until it's all melted. I like it to be about 160 degrees.
So let's check how hot it is and if it has clumps.
So it's about 161 degrees. That gives us enough plate time. I'm going to stir it a little bit.
Sure. So it's not clumpy anymore. That's good.
I'm going to take this other side over here. Okay.
We got it hardened 61 minutes.
We're going to bring our mold here. And now we're going to pour it into this, and then you can put the color in here. Okay, so let's move this so that they can see what we're doing.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay.
we're just going to take.
She has spectacular soap molds. They come out beautiful. Her pumpkin soap it came out beautiful, but then it started to melt in the oven. I'm sure you saw that picture.
That's because
Because it had yogurt in it.
I insulated it when I shouldn't have. Alright.
So please warn her. Warn her with a comment to remind her, never put soap with yogurt into the oven.
Okay, so we're going to take here a tiny bit of mica because melt and pour does not need a lot.
Yeah, I didn't know that. But
So,
it's sparkly already.
yep, just dump it in there.
So I don't think we need
And
sparkles
you're
on
going
this
to
one.
stir it. Why don't you stir it now? And then, yeah, just be careful.
I'll be
Hold on to it so that it doesn't slide because it's hot.
Can you please get me closer to it?
Alright,
Thank you.
let's see what the temperature is.
88.
You gotta hurry because we don't have a lot of time. It gets
Quick.
cooled pretty quickly over here because we live in a cold environment.
Yeah. So we live in New Hampshire. I think it's the north part of New Hampshire. I don't know where, but I think it's the north part because it's cold up here. Even sometimes during the summer, even though sometimes it's hot in the summer. And sometimes it's warm in the winter.
I think it's starting to clump up again. So,
I don't think that's enough mica.
yeah, we need more mica. We need to put it back in the microwave for just a few seconds.
So
It's starting to clump up again.
just like last time, and the soup didn't come out how I wanted, but it still came out beautiful. You should have seen it. We need more mica than that.
So we're gonna add a little bit more mica in here.
And I hope it's enough.
Oops, that's the wrong spoon. And let me just stir it up a little bit.
I hope that's enough. Looks like it is. Well, almost enough. Make sure you don't spill, Mama.
You want it to be darker?
Yeah, I want it to be much darker.
Alright. Let's see what the temperature is.
Pretty good. Hey, look, Mama, you can see clumps of it under there. I want it really dark.
Yeah. Just do it very quickly. Clumps of what? Oh, the mica?
Uh-huh. It looks so cool. That's exactly how I want it.
Oh. Okay, now we're going to add the fragrance. Thank you, Diego.
I want to use the pipette, please.
Well, I'll take it out of here, and because I don't want to spill this. This is not fragrance. This is essential oil. This is lavender essential oil. Okay.
I love lavender.
And
It smells so good.
A little bit.
It smells so.
A little goes a long way. with melt and pour. So how many? Okay, this would be good. All right, you can squeeze it out. And here, just squeeze.
We
There
have a
you
little
go.
mica.
Yep, now stir it up quickly.
Uh-oh. Clumps. Get those clumps down. Track them down. Mix fast if you want to get them. I found a few clumps that were forming around the spoon.
That happens.
Can I smell it? Oh.
Watch out, it's hot.
I'm sure people that love sparkles.
Want some sparkles in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want that much.
Stir them up. Go ahead. Stir. Just you have to hold it so that it doesn't spill all over you and burn you. So right now we're going to take this and you're going to pour it in the middle over here. Okay? So let me help you. Go ahead. Hold it. And let's pour carefully.
What about the spoon?
Please hold it. Okay. There we go. Let's pour evenly. Ooh. And we're going to spritz it with alcohol. Can you do that now?
Oh, wait.
Point, Gabriel, move your face away, please. I don't want the alcohol getting spritzed in your eyes.
Alcohol, it's bad for your eyes.
And this will help remove the bubbles.
Yep.
Okay, let me help you.
If you're learning how to use melt and pour, please start with layer soaps. That will come out really well.
So right now the temperature is at 123.
Can you see some bubbles? It's okay.
Okay, the layer is starting to form, so we need to hurry up. What are you going to do, Elizabeth?
Pour it in there.
For what?
The mica.
The blue mica.
The blue mica. It has sparkles, so I don't think we have to add much sparkles. Whoa, looks like ice cream that fell on the road during a hot summer day.
All right, can you mix this?
Sure. I'll mix as fast as I can,
Yeah, just
and then you'll take over.
Be careful, Try not to splash on the sides.
Okay.
No, just mix, and I'll take care of the sides. Mix. Okay, can I take over?
Still some mica, which is fine.
Ooh, this is a pretty blue color.
Yeah,
I love that color.
It's like a dark. It's like. We spilled some.
That's right.
It's like a nice day where it's kind of cloudy, where there's a few clouds blocking out the sun, so the sky is kind of dark.
Oh,
but it's still blue.
Oh no, we don't want our wood. It's going to destroy the wood.
Oh God! It's going to destroy that thing.
No, I'm talking about the essential oil.
Oh. And then you suck that up. Just enough.
2 milliliters in there. All right, go ahead.
Let go, please.
Hurry up.
Oh look, now it's like a carpet. I'll mix that in. It smells so good. I'm sure that if you love lavender, you will love this because we have essential oil that smells like lavender. So you're really going to love it if you love lavender. Because I love lavender. Mama loves lavender.
We're back here today to cut the soap several days later.
Yeah. we didn't get to cut it. I hope you don't cut.
I'm gonna make. You changed it on me, huh? I'm gonna make 1.5 inch marks in the soap, and that's because the soap is not tall. We're gonna cut it a little wider than usual. Usually I cut my bars 1 inch wide. Usually.
But this one turned out small.
Mm-hmm.
Because we didn't have enough batter and we couldn't put a lot of mica because we only had small bags.
Oh, we did put a lot of mica.
I guess
But you can't put a lot, too much mica, because this is melt and pour.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna take it, and you wanna help me?
Yes. And
Yeah, I'm gonna push down on it.
but it's hard.
Shut up. There we go.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-oh.
Ooh, they're falling apart. So that's what happens if you don't spray
Enough. Oh.
alcohol, or if I don't know what.
But it's...
I think, yeah, that's
I'll
alright.
I'll show the second
The
one.
top one stayed though.
Yeah.
I'm still new to melt and pour,
Yeah.
but we're doing this for fun, right,
Yeah.
Elizabeth?
So...
I'm gonna make sure they see it on the camera. I don't know if they can see it,
This is...
because it might be blurry.
Oh. Yep. So that's what it looks like so far. I just love soap making. And this is, even though this is my second one, I like it more than the first one because the first one didn't come out exactly how I wanted.
Ooh. Some of them are staying together.
Yep.
Look nice.
So far only one broke apart and that was the orange part. But
That one had more bubbles than the rest of them.
I guess we'll just keep the one that broke.
Mm-hmm. We have casualties.
Yeah. So, I really love this soap. It might look a little blurry, but I can see it.
Here, let me see.
I can see it.
There we go. Here, I'm gonna fix the camera a little bit on it.
So,
There we go.
I really just
The
love-
colors look a little different because we don't have the right lights, but it's okay.
Yeah, you'll
So-
see it when you get it.
This was a lot of fun, right, Elizabeth?
6
Would you do it
bars.
again? Yes.
I never thought it would be so quickly.
Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe if you want to see more of more videos like this. And also share with your friends, and also you can find my store on Etsy. I'll have the link down below, and for my Instagram account, follow me, and yeah, I'll see you soon again with another soapy video.
Bye.